Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal in the foundation of Pakistan. We cannot deny that the history of India, filled with cruelties against the Muslim of India, they try to destroy the economy, the business, the education, even their belief also. Respected audience, it is said that Allah Almighty grant the personality of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who built the nation, who moved the nation, who handled the nation, claims of their having believe on खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Respected audience, some people say Iqbal is a poet of East, some people say Iqbal is a poet of Islam, but in my point of view, Iqbal is such a greatest poet who must be called a poet of humanity. I want to say that there are two main sources of Iqbal poetry. Number one, Holy Quran, and number two, his deep love for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says some word in his poetry. वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, तुम खार हुए तारे के कुरान होकर. He also says कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या लोहो कलम तेरे हैं. थैंक यू.